Is everything okay? Are you okay?
I couldn't sleep.
Oh.
Besides, I'm hungry. And you left me here with no one to talk to.
Oh, come on. Look, you remember my 2 weeks leave ended and then I had to go to work. And I told you that this morning. But did you say you were hungry? But I can see you just finished eating.
Yes, but I still feel empty. I'm still hungry. I want to eat bread from the mall and milkshake with kebab.
But Sarah, bread from the mall, milkshake and kebab.
Yes, and kebab.
Do you know what time it is? It is past 11 p.m. You're asking for bread from the mall. Oh, come on, baby, let's say. It's late, yeah? I want you to manage, right? And then, manage, get to bed. Tomorrow, I'll buy you everything that you're asking for, okay? Is that okay? Please.
Wilson, how can I manage in this my condition? Like how? How can I manage in my condition? Is it my fault that I am eating too much? Is it not my child? And your child? Our child? Wilson.
No. Sarah, please. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm not blaming you, okay? It's okay. I only said manage. Please. I beg you, listen. I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming the child. I'm blaming my boy, okay? I'm blaming my boy, please. I'm sorry, okay? Listen, keep quiet. Everything...
Wilson, you are punishing me and you are using soft voice.
Oh.
My God is watching you. He see what you are doing to me and my child. God is seeing you. What kind of life is this? What did I do to deserve this? It's
okay. It's okay. I'll go and buy you everything that you're asking for, okay? I'll drive quickly to the mall right now and then get you whatever you want.
I want ice cream and shawarma with mangoes.
Mango?
Yes.
Okay, I hear you. But you know what? Let me get you inside first and I'll quickly dash to the mall and buy you everything. Okay?
The first kebab, don't forget.
Don't worry. I'll buy you everything, okay? Please, get up. Get up. Are you still crying?
No. Okay, the kebab.
I will buy you the kebab. I'll buy it.
Tini so anyana bia fakwa mi reja me beja me hi a brand new boy a brand new boy a brand new boy brand new boy some penso nam na yamre anya kwacha etada na yabre munti ase amene some penso nam na
the bed I cook yes. Jack into the can.
Oh, I wish that one day you could be all mine, so you'll understand this is not my doing. Oh, I wish that one day you'll be all mine, so you'll understand this is not
Jesus! Sorry! Jesus! Send Yakubio! Wapamedi! Send your family! Where? Send it!
Sorry!
Send it!
Sorry!
Send you over too many.
Sorry.
Abey! I see me there to one woman. Send me across the car where I say, one woman will be a get up woman. Hey, what me a baby man in the hole? And then I would say free me all. Sorry for what?
Please put me down, baby. Please put me down.
I don't know. I go and tell her. Please, I'm opening the door. Me out there.
Please put me down, baby.
Put you down for what?
Put me
Send it very careful. Send it very careful for me. Send it here. I pay you best free to go to her. What have I to off ya? Send up here to me, Fifiana. Send it while you try to lose my job because of the favor from God and this to disconnect with the letter. Don't go sack me. Send it. You know better fear, Baba. Who do you call you? Director, you never sack me in the house. Send it. You never sack me. I'm working. Insurance man, that never be fair. I don't have any insurance. If you close my eyes, I'm disabled. I don't have any insurance. I'm working without no insurance and not without pay slip. Look at how I reduced. I was very big and fat the first day I stepped in this house. You are not feeding me well. Look at how I reduced. I'm a bulldog. Send me back up. And my fifia, me kwa me crowd be ofia. Na me ko. Ituma na me yansa umumi a, o papa kra obu me. O papa obu fia.
Daddy, come and see the marvelous work your macho man OTEELE has done. Artwork, everything is so magical.
Are you sure?
Oh, you have to come and watch. You have to see it. It's amazing.
Wow.
If I had money, I'll dash you 500 cedis.
Hey. OTEELE. Ha!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, boss. Good morning, sir.
You are still washing this car after waking up at 5 a.m.?
Yes, please.
You are telling me yes, please. How many hours do you want to use to wash this car?
But me pacho, eduma ne bro me so. And I ban the car run now, me ntimi me home ya kwadro me ko bu so kra. Me prepare my peja be see o. Eti no boss, enya me phone.
What sort of nonsense is this? I didn't want to say no. Huh? You wake up at 4 a.m. You start washing my car at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. You are still washing my car. You are telling me what?
Boss, enya me a say kakra ma first gate na wi. Can you remember second gate, ma about third, ma about fourth. Na ma huru boot, ma be engine, ma wash, na me.
Are you mad?
Yes, sir.
Shut up and don't let me slap you from there.
Oh.
What's wrong with you? Huh?
Thank
your stars that I'm a businessman. You would have lost your job by now. Nonsense. My company again telling me leave.
Boss, me pacho.
Why did you ever let me?
The best thing they say, "Ka obe po bia kame ho." Me e fie adwuma na aduane kran so me.
My friend, who stop the nonsense and open the gate for me?
Mama pepper na.
Look, my friend, don't let me slap you. Foolish boy. Hey, OTEELE, come back and pick that thing away from the let me get out of here. Nonsense. Are you mad? Sweetheart, get inside the car. Hey!
Look at it.
Don't.
What has got you? Me have a pressure here. You see it, man. I'm a slave. I'm a slave in this house to control me like that. Why? How much you pay? You don't feed me. Look at, I have a big stomach. Look at my stomach reduced now. I'm a grab. So babe, feel free. What be free? Enjoy your drink. Yes, come on. You are very, very romantic. That's why I love you. So, this is for you. This house is for you. You are the owner because it belongs to your husband, so you are the owner. So you see, I know about you better than my aunt to you know, Yakubu parents now. Mama don't know about now. Because me one am here. So me can't win Jindi. Very big house. We can't be I can't hear my kitty be or send me here. Yeah, in me. So if you come on, I love you so much. Don't worry, okay?
If you are papa.
Yeah, serious. I papa. But me kwana mo to know me to me more bit na me papa. No. So I need a wife. So please, you want it?
Martina.
I mean, why don't I bet now? You say I will feel. If I show dream, say I will feel no more.
Okay.
Come on, don't worry. Yeah. Don't worry. Let me be up to be also catch me, my yama. Why? Yeah. No scout. No scout.
OTEELE, aren't you supposed to be at your post? At your gate? Do you think the house is for him? Hey.
She's from the psychiatric. We are not giving her treatment. So if you talk now, you make action. That's why I'm not talking. Forget it. Baby, it's yeah, with my chihuahua, no, I'll be proud.
OTEELE, you think I'm deaf?
Oh, why?
I don't catch in your kind of man.
What's the name?
OTEELE, you get man.
Maybe get my bedroom wine. What are you telling me? Get my bedroom wine. Huh?
And see, then I'm not crying, Patrick.
And I make us say, let me call hospital or your psychiatric, I feel what feels the uniform nation. I feel what my fees, so not getting hen again. It's what Casa and Casa.
OTEELE, oh boy.
Come on, baby, don't do that. Oh, come on.
OTEELE, it is a winning gate manner. I cannot be seeing on your mind.
Oh, why am I get my cousin? So why are you not sending one now? But then I go to psychiatric hospital. I feel is under treatment. I feel no over no man. Forget it.
And no cancer, I'm going to me and she.
No. Me kopuno. Hope you are here in the hospital. You treating no. Me say uncle Punoma and say uncle Kenyano. No, I won't do that.
Where you get man?
Oh, baby, look at me. Just look at me. Am I a gate man? What are you talking about? Huh? Look at me. Am I a gate man?
It's all that damn.
Oh, come on.
OTEELE, all that damn.
Maybe enjoy your drink and let's go inside.
Enjoy my drink.
I'm angry.
OTEELE, into bed that damn, Yana.
Me better down. Say, my kind of natural baby. Why are you doing this?
Who you get man? Me I say me na I was my drink. She will treat me.
This is a brand. It's a dread.
OTEELE, number 3 papa. Number 3 Where you get man? Where you get man?
Who bought me there?
Mama crying.
Let's go inside.
Mama crying, I'm sing. Where you get man? Where you get man? Where you get man? No shame, I say get man. Yere. Where you get man?
What push me?
Bitch, I say get man. Yere. Where you get man?
Efia.
Me up by my fire for namenda. Honestly,
I am tired. I am so tired. See, there is nothing as bad as not getting to eat what you want.
Look, I can totally understand. Even me that I'm not pregnant. this can be very, very annoying. How much more you?
That's my point. I try so hard to explain things to my husband for him to understand. This is the very first time I am getting pregnant, and I expect to be taken care of very well. But this man thinks I eat too much. I keep explaining to him that I am not the one eating. It is our child. It is our child that is eating too much. And the more I explain to him, the more confused he gets. He doesn't understand me. I don't know what I did to deserve such a life. Why would he treat me like this? Why?
Look, dry your tears, okay? Wipe your tears. This is not any problem at all. Be calm. Look, I have been thinking, why don't we employ a cook? Should cook for you, should still maintain the house. You know? More like a house help.
My husband thinks my stepdaughter it's enough to assist with domestic chores.
That little girl. What experience does she have?
Lizzie, even apart from my husband's concern, I actually do not want any house help to come here and snatch him away from me.
Look,
I don't want that to happen.
It's never gonna happen. I know of a woman. She's very principled. She's a professional. She can cook anything you want, she will do it for you. And she has expertise in handling the home. She can take care of everything for you. And you know what? She's a midwife.
A midwife?
Yes. She's been doing this for so many years, and not for a single day have I heard anybody complain about her.
Really?
Yes, she takes care of pregnant women. She can maintain the house. She can cook. She will take care of you.
Okay. I'll discuss it with my husband and I'll try and convince him to see if he would,
Look, push him harder, persuade him. At least it will keep you in shape when you deliver. You understand? You have to be in shape. She's going to take care of you. Okay, do you understand?
Okay.
Did you cook anything? Did you cook anything?
I think there's something
This is
in the kitchen.
not a big deal. I'm not interested in juices. I'll be back. It's not a big deal. Don't even bother yourself. Don't think about it. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Cindy.
Dad,
Yes, dear.
I'm hungry. There's no food for you tonight.
How do you mean?
Exactly what you said.
Oh, Cindy. So what happened to all the food I cooked this morning and I kept in the refrigerator?
Everything is gone. Even the food.
Did you search well? Huh? Okay, don't worry, I'm coming, okay?
So you'll understand this is not my doing.
Sarah, why is there no food in the kitchen for me and Cindy?
I ate it.
All of it?
What sort of question is that?
He asked whether you ate all alone or you left some somewhere for us.
What was I supposed to do when I was hungry?
What were you supposed to do when you were hungry? Were you so hungry you ate the entire food in the kitchen? Hey!
Wilson, why are you embarrassing me?
He's not embarrassing you, Mom.
Will you shut up there, little brat, for adults to have a conversation? And for your information, I am not your mother. I am your stepmom.
My mom won't behave so glutinous in your condition.
Eh? Did you just call my child and I glutens? Hey! Little Junior! Come and see! Come! Oh. Come and look at your stepsister! He just called us glutens! Ah! Wilson! Did you hear? Did you?
Cindy, go to your room.
Dad, my food.
Go to your room, I'll soon be there with you.
You have no idea what it means to be pregnant. You don't have any idea. Wilson.
Listen. See, I just don't understand. Sarah, I woke up early this morning, prepared food that would satisfy the entire house for 2 good days. And you are telling me you ate everything. On top of it, all the fruits that were in the refrigerator is gone. I'm saying this and you're telling me that I'm embarrassing you?
Why are you even shouting at me now? Like why? Oh God, he's shouting at me and my child. Hey! Little Junior, come and see your father. He's shouting at me as if I impregnated myself.
It's okay. I'm sorry. I said I am sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. See, I said I'm sorry. Okay? It's just that Cindy and I are hungry. We've not had dinner. This girl came to me crying. She's hungry. I'm sorry, okay?
I don't care. I am the one pregnant here. Is she pregnant? I am the one pregnant here. And you are here shining your eyes at me. Am I the one eating the food?
No.
Am I?
No, it's my son. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, okay? It's okay. Stop crying, I beg you. Okay? Stop crying.
Kiss my cheek. Please rub my head. Please. Please do it well, gently. My feet. Massage it for me.
As well as rub your head.
Yes. Why is my entire body paining me like this? I've lost appetite for this. I've lost appetite for this.
I like that appetite. And lost my heifer. Or cobrade to my question kitchen home. That way almost 1 hour. Yet the depend on you. I lost appetite. Appetite in your quiet my kitchen home. I lost now. Baby will be a coffin number. No, my come near for nitty. Yet to quiet the man at Bay from my when I catch it in the band. Think that man is D. Are you insane? Huh? Are you insane? Why would you even talk to me like this?
I will call my husband
Hey,
now.
Madam.
No, did you see how he was shouting at me? How? What did I even do to deserve this? Why would you even shout at me like this in my own house? Are you crazy?
Madam,
I will call my husband.
Oh, Madam. We're not getting a more. And things so sudden, so Miss
Yes, that is what I want. I want to eat banku and okra soup with ademe, plenty ademe in it. Yes. And why are you looking at me like that?
You are not fond of it. Papa, obey some and other also, Nipatan time. You want to tell us over some other also. Madam, yes.
And okra soup. Ademe inside.
You see that? That is a clear manifestation of unnecessary dramatic display of theatrical performance.
Hey, collect for 1 point.
I have to give her award.
Where the band secret?
Oh, feel free.
Anyamusha. And the a betting at some better mamma Jana, mam from Saint. From Saint.
Adi Asamoah.
Asoya.
Aden.
Nemokoyi. Nsamu na edwaye ya. Sinimeni bi mabafo yim ate. Ai, mendi.
Kwabota. Sese di fi ha ye ba he di eye wo hawo ne amane ene enam o. Ejapa ne ejene mu.
Mo dwunu a mentase. Na madam no no sabi abofro be na osufani mu. Anda me chede ojen greater power anale de. Otu gbugbo yinso batre sabi ma insufi wufin sheet do olugufom. Ano anyim oson. Abankwese sunyin.
Wo hu se nipa anyim oso no. Enipa ne osono ne beda no awo osono kwabota da bibia kura nya me shi nya metan kura se wosimedi we opaja aduane so na se ode ma na wosimini yenya ye bedi no so onfa aduane e ma ye ni
nyina o kire de
menti ase kura
aya obi heavy some stuff bibia no ka Hey, Ona. Hey, come on, stand there. Move now. What's it say? Mumu wana ye aduane ofia.
Me na me ye aduane. E di asem. Me se me na me ye aduane.
Ana wone me kasa o tiatia me. Hey! Me be o.
Minim so betimi ache mamene. Se de nipa da sani a wo ye se de nipa ten kura betimi ache wo mamene. Ka wasem a de ba ya am de.
Asoya, enye padi wa hihye wa roba pa.
Minim so wa ye.
When you not outside no the fight, na come side da. Mo gbo you man. Mo gbo you ma fa we funu mo wala ka da pini ho. What's it there? Abda. What's it there? Mo gbo you. Wo be bo maso.
Oga Kenkon. Abeg. Oga abeg. Me pa che what me sira wo. Jai. Kenkon, wo yare o. Wo yare fire kurase e na me de ne baaye. Nti me ma ne nu kakra se no ba yenden. Mfa na asem onye hwe what?
Better.
Ka de ode baaye.
Me catch no. Fle komo ya dwa do ofia ma mo ntile meduane. Catch no. Because food is my hobby. Ntile meduane a. Monument se fie.
Kenkon.
Yes.
Mate. Se me no aduane a. Me pagya aduane ni nyina ne da ase ni nyina bra no wawe.
God.
Hey. Small madam. I'm welcome. Hi.
So what will be left for the rest of us?
Asoya will be swasem. Anytime that same nyina da me kodwo bonsu. La on meaning to the yemin. La no you chop money in yam ye be da ba de. Yina no. Abete.
Cindy. Okay, what has that got on? What has that got on, Cindy? Cindy! Okay. Cindy!
Obetu akweni to. Obetu ni te fu. Akobe wa kan.
Hey! Come on, everybody, get this man! Get this man, boy! Everybody, get this man!
Ana osono ene ne ba wo mu chini saa fedie oto nani a wo hu ne ba ana osono ne ba yiraye no osu saa
Nti ehon no ana no ye krom ho hen oye ne mogba na osun ohun ne ba ena ogbogwade onyipa bia na obotume hu osun na ba no odena ba no obeme na agudi anade obeme na award nti o mama obia fili de obokwa kohwe osun na ba na ide aba nti wote wo hu gu etwem de wo hwehwe unfortunately osun na nkasa na o se hu na ba nti osun ye na adwen dem odene ba edwabo na ase na kwa beji na award no mesi osun gbo mmodi odene ba no odene du dwabo na asa na osun be ni tim osun ba wawi oh
wabre
wawi
oh
bawo asoya it's a story
me den masasano
Oh God, why is this world wicked? The world is so wicked. Why would the elephants die? Why would the elephants die? Nobody cares about me, oh.
Madam, what here? I am answer some more. I hear story. I am answer some. And you won't see near to it. Was on the neba, or man until Sabrina, why yera, nebana yera. And think you were white.
The elephant is dead.
So many elephants. Oh, dear, or son and Ira. Madam, and answer some more, and answer somebody and Tronqua. I say, and answer some and Tronqua.
So you people are teaching my child how to lie, eh?
Have you? Obani dear, then your children. And answer some near to watch your soul as up and answer them.
Yes.
And they are sure to watch it out.
You said it's a lie, so I'm teaching my child how to lie.
Madam, I'm your sir.
You're teaching my child how to lie.
Hey! Never done your tell. I am answer some.
Asoya, my cousin, you see the back. This is unnecessary dramatical display of theatrical sorry.
Where is that coming from?
Oh, yeah. I am the master, Miss Samuel with Galileo.
Nearby then, Yeti.
Why you so? Why you so? OTEELE! OTEELE! Mais d'où est-ce bien, Babousoum?
I depend on this one over period after the idea in your day. Why not trust I don't know?
Opinion one.
Eh?
Why are you opinion?
What the own? Now they be never so as a meditation. Who bet you now meditate we not the chance in a coincide.
And yet,
not how I. Hey, now that I see what Jawa called over such as saying. Come and stand there, wait for me.
Eh, OTEELE. Mamma can see me, non go with me. The enemy mental Asamoah, not a bon woman, may catch up. Say, Mume, Kumukungo, Papa, may catch your plain fa. Off in a quick, say, we one. A cast a champ, not for and castle you in Yansen. I thought my John MP. So we are Frusan, Calamas Menyosu, may catch up. So Yansen, how I am back as a. Ha! Hey, Abda,
me not make us a son. I walk away. Come.
That Musro.
Who said I?
Musroa.
When I make us a bad.
I go away back.
Who are you to tell Fiona?
No, what to do? Come on, security.
You have two good manners and bad manners, right?
What can try ahead?
What
can try ahead?
Who but to be fair as a chief security? When you go fast, we have fear to say fear way. Who can such a me bad? What do you mean? Who give you that authority to talk to me like that? Who are you? So, dear, hey,
my dad.
What dear talk?
My dad.
Chair. Now, so, a damn bobel. Your boss, that what just
Might be under.
question. Open to 2000. Why? Maybe be under her. Maybe be out of home. And just one slap from me.
OTEELE, open the gate for me. I want to get out.
What's it?
You see, be a gate, no, mommy.
Cindy, Benjamin. Cindy, Messi Benjamin. To buy one near me say, me didi. Me jed ya no go pick gate. Na the view. Oh, papa no farm Juma Koba to say me did you can say me near ya no go pick gate. But then I go pick gate. Let's say I respect man the man. Cindy, Suadio, Naja Bay. Well.
So must that prevent you from doing your duties?
I dread out him no. What?
Kwabota, please open the gate for me.
When are you castle? When are you castle? Oh, yeah, baby, did you well?
Oh, please, open the gate for me.
I was saying that I told you to cow, answer. Oh, I will make you them, Miss Uncle Gator. May check Mrs. Nina to 32. One better than maybe animal call. We answer, let me check Mrs. Hey, I say, where did they go, Masum? I can't come to take the figure by anymore. And I say, for me, my Belcumino, Belcumino, baby, I make a mala. I make a mala. Who bet me? Make a mala. No, I thought you have to talk. Oh, they may go at it. Miss Amman will move close. Oh, what do they do?
Ade. Ade na ya wo. Ade na ya wo. Why when you said you are horror film no? What are horror film man?
Na go ya be horror film.
Na wo you when you said you are horror film, how you when you say?
Me say I go dey horror film aye dey.
Na ade na ya wo.
Horror nyi bia no gire.
Say me hunu mpo. Ade na ya wo.
Ni hotel hapo baso ma.
OTEELE. Ni nsa no wode abo wasum. Ah, senka wawuo. Hwe. OTEELE ni nsa kese we abo wasum. Ana wo gina wo twahwe ho ana. Abo wo twahwe.
Ah, man twahwe.
Na de na ye wo.
Ah, onye admana me manga man na me dey ba me dey kwe. Oga je na me ntra on mo di wi ansana. Na say how? Let them Muntum, me da me gwa man sada masum.
Hey! And you fear some form tawachi. No tell inside here. What the abo wo gina wo say there. Ukuru mo for omobo apa. Aji! Ada ye odai.
But why them want to eat ya wo ma so no mun.
Ye ne wo wu. Na no mo do nka wo wu kura nka wonti ase. De bia maka che o say enko ka OTEELE enya no de nkyere no. Na wo ya no de nkyere no dia. Obabu rough. Wouldn't say and sana was what the bomb wa. And one corner also the bomb. Let the water near above you.
Now, why they put baby what they want about to maintain him or bass what you done? Ah, what's what you say? I they put what they put up and maintain. Yeah, for me, yeah.
And for Piama, as soon as I born on the moon, Martin,
on the mason, what I say,
and you say, actually, what it?
I say,
huh?
No,
show who you want what it. Uncle Cano. Master the never told her, say, or will be bad, we are just one only watering. Or Bobon Crofo, any woman who answer, walk all your near Massia General. What boss, Mamma, whom I get at here?
Mopocho, and ye, and fencing, and I can find to change. Mass one, mamma.
What is saying?
Missing Caffeine, so facing never to Mass one, mamma.
Minty, what is saying?
Honey the mute, because or the meat, check as if you are.
What is saying?
Missing Caffeine, suka place never to Mass one, mamma.
Ay, no, I saw the madam at the train.
Me up by my fire for namenda. Shabby bia me bia makonda. Tini so anya bia fakwa. Me reja me beja me. Hi. A brand new world boy. A brand new world boy. A brand new world boy. Brand new world boy. Sun pencil na anya kwacha etadana ya bre munti
Asaya.
ameme
Kwa kosa.
Anya me pesa
Asaya.
Oh, I wish that one day you could be all mine, so you'll understand this is not my
I want you to come and sleep here tonight.
Madam, me.
The both of you.
Hey, madam, how many do I am madam in Shashi?
I don't care. I want you to come and sleep here. I can't sleep here all alone by myself. Is there any problem with that?
Oh, no problem.
Madam, problem be any. Any, Mamma.
You can a problem of one and a de busu biedo. Oh, ye, second amanda would do, not dinking per matter would I, my helper.
So go and bring your beddings and come and sleep.
Madam, let's have him said the piano sending it up. Nothing yet then.
Yes, but Cindy is fast asleep. So come and sleep here with me.
I prefer to say what I will wear, you should attach.
Sleeping that you people sleeping. Asamoah, wake up! Wake up! Kwabuta!
Hey, Adiachio.
It's no morning. It's no morning. Kwabuta, wake up!
Good morning, madam.
It's not morning, it's just 2 a.m.
What about you? Lily,
I'm hungry.
Madam. I like them the sabi abe full of when something with the damn time.
Oh, yeah, Bahiana.
Does it look like here is your village? Are we in your village? My son eats whenever he wants to eat. At whatever time. I'm hungry.
That's why
anything, my son is hungry.
I will tell you that I'm going to find the answer. This one,
I want fruit. Asamoah, my baby wants fruit.
Mamma, to what is now? Follow me.
Please. Cut the fruits. Cut it well.
Me up by my fire for namenda. Shabby bia me humbia makonda.
My son likes eating,
and
myself, we like eating a lot. The doctor too said he has to be very healthy all the time. Asamoah, please sing for him.
Me.
Please sing for him. Please. Are you saying you'll sing for him?
It's a young man.
Madam, well, Abada. She said, go figure that temple on there. Or not on your maybe I fi ban. It was all and I dread them come here. One told I bought some phone and some phone. I'll be full when you are the metaman. No, pay. One told them, Abada. I saw ya, 2 baby alaman.
When you come again, no, when you come again, no, oh, you have a jet, no, Kodo, when you have a jet, no, when you have a jet, no, when you have a jet, no, Kodo, talk.
Have you finished? This one is too short.
Sing another one for Junior. This one was for me. Junior is waiting for his own.
But to abadi.
Aye.
Wala.
Awale nyum.
Kakai. We yako yo bepeka ya.
But when you open my door, come and beat.
Junior like.
Kai. Little Junior. Kai. Little Junior. Kai.
OTEELE, can you please stop spitting around?
I didn't see why. And I'm a play far home my wife. That's so that your bass, that goes to the smell wine. Far home.
Don't you know it's unhygienic?
Hygienic.
Unhygienic.
So for what? I do so that need to do from the garden. The bacho. And I'm a trouble back, but I want them more. The idea is a more distance. The male, so when I catch him say, I'm a best better of him. So I need to know. I'm here, they go away, and I'm a minute. Hey, who are you?
You don't have to be near me to infect me with whatever virus you're spitting out. Once it is airborne.
When you see virus, can you identify virus? You know what is called virus? You are virus. If I'm not afraid, you are the virus that came to this world as Ebola and that, you are virus. You are born with virus, you are born with the habit. Subale putano, virus no susu dia. Why do you say you subale a virus? Every sickness is a virus. Let me have a virus.
Cindy, I'm come a chance in you, the remember.
Don't collect it.
Oh, in the mean feel lemon to a fame. Mandoblem.
Don't collect it.
Hey, Cindy, go back to the circle.
Alright. Sorry, eh? Good luck.
That's a cop. Why now go here? Say, what are you interested here? See, what are you interested? Learn very hard, okay? And be a good girl. I'm like, yeah, copy the mirror. I'm in a good mood. I'm going to be a good. Hey, come be interested. Come better. Baby, I said, so you Martina, that's the one showing you buy. For Asamoah, so trouble I could play what I need to see the way you are walking. Is that how you walk? Is that how you walk? Just a one step. The whole of your body you have to. Now, your bottom is too hard. Because all my whole kind of a boss, that one now is soft. That be the bro massage. Always must you allow me to beat you. I am going to be soft. I'm going to be soft. Yeah, go back, Asa. Don't look back until you enter that room. Hey, you understand? Don't look back.
Asoya. Mami asoya.
Kwabuta.
Na mbia te yo na sebe. Wan kwete akofam ayi hu na sebe. Chapu de mokre. Abedi nte. Wa be se weye.
Se meye.
Afi obo ye hu.
Ameme ni boy.
Na mbia te yo de bi aba me ya yi kama ya bo kama. Ache na mesi aye bom abedi nte.
Kwabuta. Ye jina bia nye.
Ye jina bia nye.
Ye shabre nye.
Wa ba kwado.
Ya nkre nyame yi.
Na le be nyame hu.
Ya nkre ni yi nti ye niema nyina nye. Ye shabre asesa. Ye chese omo ye ni daso. Ye shabre nye no. Me no mi no.
Hwe mo ale chire. How na wana bi?
Me no wo.
Awu na mi. Mo kocho don't participate me inside. Ma fa man kan hu bi. Oso mi no oso bia ne shabre. O de ba asasi do. Even fi ha ye wumpo oso bia ne shabre wo fi ha. Ami me beje okeke o. Mi beje okeke. Na ma wo be ye ohyew na atuma ye wonyoma 1212 bi. Nti na mekam accompany him. Nti ma fa wo shabre me fra me shabrem. Aha na ye ba odo oye din bet. Oyi kakra mam. Owo na bibiala na ye bibiala de ye. Hata sibie. Ami dem so wo shabre nya. Fa wo shabre. Ma fa wo shabre ma kam shabre me twem shabre de ma nyame ehira ma ngye ho. Pocho.
Kwabuta. Medasi. Thank you so much.
Thank me too.
Wodi e wo shabre ye. Wani je wo shabre ho. Jira bi a wo mu wa ha no wani je ho. Kwabuta medasi. Kwabuta me be count 1 2 3. 3 ne ende no. No was sound your man now the call class. Kwabuta 1.
I rent a car let's mu kwan ho ana de man family lo fenko.
Kwabuta 2.
So ya. Am I serious about it?
Too much serious. Kwabuta 3. Fanya man the call class.
So ya ba. You know you da grad wan get your draws.
Dem no da go.
So ya. In me say bia me no what the ya yetre. Wakito na plaster. Aso ya
enim dem
like am you boy papa there sabi me nyam kwasa to tidam ami no wo fia na betenewu mo no ko me nje ho na mom she have nothing to do about it me tumi nyam hwe intino ye bo wa bom wo fia mo be say wo fia wa boto adaka na wo dey say ye nyi ba bia akọ
Kwabuta I change your message I change your message
man me read the collect straight now
I change you story.
Man, me read the collect stress now.
Kwabuta.
I saw ya. I shock way. Man, Wally,
And to see a baby be a
boom.
Everything a double.
Oh, together. Together, me and you.
Kwabuta.
Man, show me a flabo.
And come in, Mamma Quassy.
Oh, Debbie, name me that girl.
Come in, Mamma Cotsanaho. Now I train me.
Monko.
Now, may Mr. Billy year. Nankama, so the nice old Chevrolet.
Maybe that girl, I will kick in me. I
in the Agro one.
The baby boom at it.
Baby, I there.
The baby boom.
Your baby's album.
You made no. You book you boom. You book boom. You book chapel boom. You book boom.
Okay, we had the
every year.
I'm in a walk.
We are shed ross
and the best.
Very moon painted them. I can do. You.
I don't say me.
Abada.
Sure.
Hey.
Nada.
Mama di.
Mama di kan never go asa. Na sa no boy sisi a nyina.
Asoya. Ano kreme bi ko fi ana yin.
Kwabuta. Wo ba fi ha. Krama bi wa. Krama wa ha da ga wo ni. Wa. Ba sam ko ni.
Asoya. Asoya yin.
Na di asam ko ya ni. One to ye sisi de wo ke kan ne nyina agugu ha sa de wa asam ko la.
To like na di nyina wo.
Mo ma ni pa bread do.
Ana bulldog bi o fi ani yin.
Wo ba fi a bulldog bi wa. Bulldog.
What matter tam nyama bobo.
Kono continent ntam ne we di e kasa nipa. Ne we di e wan akora akwa.
Hey, the baby light da.
E de ba asem ni.
Penny.
Obra kwantu pa na ewo mu no.
Alea. Na yi abadi no wanti da sabi. O kra me hwehwe kusa chi ni.
Ni mo.
Why are you looking at me like that? Huh? Can't you perceive it?
I perceive what?
There's a smell like a rotten dead rat.
Rotten?
A dead rat.
Madam, until.
I am not staying in this house if you don't find it.
Madam, you didn't think you saw what today. You saw today. Why, you saw today.
Madam Pocho. And that man mensu, Mr. Wa, mensu. In the fact, I saw what it's in one year. Madam in ye, Pocho. Maybe at the precon will be a washing ye if you I, Ned mensu. Yes, sir.
Madam today.
Is that what you are telling me?
Me up by my fire for namenda. Shabby bia me bia makonda. Tini so anya bia fakwa. Me redjame me bedjame.
Asamoah.
I didn't know one.
It's a.
Ejina ho.
Ujina.
Sentini jina ho ha.
Fa.
Baby awo no a. Mama hwe auto. Mama hwe auto.
So abade how. Na bo mutu na de.
Ade ne jina ha na mama hwe auto hwe.
Ade bo de mama ya hwe lele mutu na ade no sha.
Madam ko na ni abere sese ya nye ni ehu baby kura ade ko nra. Mama te sent no auto mama hwe.
Mutu. Abda. Ofi mutu. What I am better Musubano, Mempemale no. I mean, I met mu amkotwa mutu message, making one mutu mo. How we jana let's the mutu mo abis banso. Huh? They be an lugu me ma si ofia na ada me yempo na de tom no da maaye. I me jana mutu mo. Ala no chene mutu mo.
A brand new world, boy. A brand new world, boy. A brand new world, boy. Brand new world, boy.
What sort of repugnant smell was that? Huh? Ah, the smell almost choked me to death. Ah. Little Junior, I hope it didn't affect you. Hey, go back, go back. I stepped backwards. You people are still smelling like the dead rotten rats. Yeah.
Madam, abone ye hu no ye na free dem ho.
Ya spray ho nyina nti botum na akwa ai. Botum akwa inside.
Thank you.
Madam,
ebe kwa hin. Ni bi Ọlọ́run ho gbon lo kure lukoso nu aye de.
Me hu mo oto no a.
Ami mutu.
To kanka sa te.
Ọlọ́run ho gbon lo kure.
To kanka sa te.
Ko ne gogura.
Oto no a.
Ko ne gogura. Ehe gbon ko ne gogura. Besi ko ne gogura.
Ana se ho no.
Brand new world, boy.
They said they have searched everywhere. There are no mangoes, neither sugarcane.
I don't care. I don't care. That is what I want.
But they are out of season. Can you request for something else?
That is what my child wants to eat. Ah, God. Ah. My child wants mango. Ah, God. Wilson, you are punishing me for not being here. Oh. See what they are doing to me. Ah.
Ask for anything aside mango or sugarcane. Anything, please.
Okay. No mangoes. Okay, I want clay chalk and avocado pear. Please.
Mubenya shirato. Aha. Mode monko na monko pe binto mano. Afi de ni no so obedi.
Yes. No, No, I still want the mango.
My goodness, can you be decisive for just once?
Hey, Lizzie, you are insulting me.
No, Sarah.
Lizzie, you are insulting me.
I am not. The back and forth is too much.
Oh, little Julia, come and see. Oh.
What's drama about?
Come and see what your godmother is doing to us.
Munim, munko bebia mubeko bia mubene bibia price na fa ho wo de munko pe bintomre no
se pen no anasa mango
ebia de oye de mi de mentia se wo de munko munko wo de munko pe bi munko mangoes. Are you being dramatic or you actually want this?
Oh God, this pain is just too much for me. Look at what you are doing. You are shouting at me, Lizzie. Oh, what did I do to deserve this?
Okay. I'm sorry. I understand your situation. Okay, they will be back in. They will be back in a bit. They will be back in a bit.
Asoya. Ma dwuma mu bia so ya mentase.
Niema ben.
Ife ya ye bai. E ka chem de edemleba. Na ye abejade bia na ya san na yakọ. Ti me mechire okrom na menye obai. Mebe ya nyima betrefia ha. Twadwuma hu na nkwasada wode ari ebofia ha dei. Awanka ketu asem bia chem na kire adwuma me ye free wo ntomaka abadinta.
Kwa hota. Anya me a. Minim sese ne beba no. Se de ya balizi ho. Ana lizi no de ya beso ya ha. Ana nkwase adwuma ne ye na nopa awia anwumre. Adwuma ye nyina branko a. Ana wanka sika kro so kro obode be maye. Besi ne wanka sika wansam nkire yen yo. Enti minim sika a wode maye ne ya che. Minim.
Ono bomade na felizi no. Na ka che ne de mesi ne mintum yam nkwase adwuma. Ntese adwuma ye na osom ya yesom. Bo som wo be ma hen. Sa wo mpeska mi peska friend.
Mi mpeska. Sa.
I peska nga me ye made me. Friend.
Okay. Hello, Lizzie. Any man na mo to ne brand ten. Sorty.
What about that?
One thing some na making. What ya want ya se be a.
Afun o talema so ho.
Na sense what thing some making na.
Mete but so no ne dinamante.
What say? Papa ne say oni ye adwuma. Say ye oni ye adwuma na adwuma ne kama de ode ye be kwa abrochire. Na me komi busa say na de ye be kwa abrochire ye nyiska. Won't you hear ka?
Nkwasa kenka kwa ne lizo la keka no. Let me tell you be from the ma kwa abrochina mudu airporta. Wa chi mo de ma to kejim. Enwa. Kache na misike no hemu onya abrochire. Nti kwan bia nam da obema nkofo no Juma ya yenya on misika be mam anando so na abotom pom fam ho dem lizino minjini ndo the matter only ye no minjini ndi
se o maye bre ya ba ye Juma sa o maye ska wo de wo so oba ni manum ya ye hwe ma ne mra
ayimiri anedo o chan o do disika no o de ba
maka chere no wa ma dia de besi wa ha no enye kura
wa ma me dani da wo ma hihye won awroba
na me so ba isa me patao enso na me pesa wo kasa
na me hye won awroba
edu bia ni matim na account na wadi wo matam yi
mate
ate
ntumi ye hwe
adani ya bresa
mela mango afren to boso so mango lese ba kiko wa tofi akopre be do tela na no Adam na hwase imbe ya akopre na hwase ya tutu eje woni mo nye dem
Fabota
misia fu
Fabota bra
abasma
Fabota ewiase nye de ewiase kakra da hoyi emo nye de mayen ai obreni
wankasa ubusuyi ummoji yankasa no wa twen wadi aboto sesabo nsem nanum wadi aboto esenum mo bo ale ba so na de mi de achi na mo so me brebi
me mankasa me do ba mo babiro ke bedi
oba ne de
na me
we aso ya mitu ma afa mo adwene o na no madwene ya no nsisiro ba me pen de sisi ya mpelo lu fe bi na olevu a ye mfifia na yenko me mpe problem bia
mankasa menya adwene bi na me kanche
abada
Asamoah, what are you people doing here? Can't you hear me calling you?
Madam, ewiase adwentwene emu abrabo ya wonti. They say we be frame kura amenti o ya so nyina asisi.
Sisi ya kasa abrabo ayi woni aso no. Why today radio on chi station chi dema fache ai.
Anyways, can you please get me some barbecues? Barbecue fish.
Baba.
Or on the wine.
Just tell the woman you want barbecues.
I did to one son and then barbecue no like an imina.
Say me kwa na me come barbecue.
Do me.
Please be fast.
Only barbecue we want.
Yes, barbecue. I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
No kwa nyina here ka ko.
Barbecues. Please catch your bottom of them push me and that's what for ye. Barbecues. Oh. So ya aja akoye peniti wo ka asem chewa na leye mepie mogba maka chiri fina ye wo mu ye wo tete ye yense ya de ye mfifi ono ma kan bia nkasa mogba
to bu ase
onu na ntu hunu ye na ntu a o chere
to bu ase me se to bu ase na nim nyansa nchen obi wate unim nyansa nchen me ade na we sa
di ewe ya yakwa ne nama mfaso be na owodo dem na ntu hunu ye na ntina mfaso be na owodo
Barbecue.
Asoya me pɛ dem de na be gina hale yen dem barbecue na be gina me ka me gya hwana mo bua am yakɔ nam onti de mi se nyim barbecue a eni ba bi o wa adam yakɔ ne nam na de preku no ye hu ha na ba be gya ba barbecue ma me de me fenu ra o ma me hyehye impa awrubo
na wo me do di machi be ye den me do di machi se bibi wo ho a wo ba boa me wo ba ma dwene na se wo kura so wadwene ya ketekete wadwene ti sei wadwene so emua bi ani wo a wo de boa me
na ma dwene ya ketekete awo ye ba ne nyim gas so nya mi mpanka enso enhyi ufin
mi nim gas so na de di ka wo na so gas ne ma
eji a eso na anyi hubom
na gas de nya hubom ano de nam enframa na fa enya hubom anya beje
onfam so wo na le ye midwife bi and to ankasa dwene wa dwene ekwan nam da barbecue no bokwa gu huni nti hwehwe onfam
minim sa me nam ye panyini Me na me midwife, wo de onye midwife. Enso so adwene bi wo ha, e wo so otime boa me. Eno anti na mde udi mechi so obaboa me. Ene me bi wo so otime boa me. Ti say ye de.
Barbecue. Aha. Badwin bibi ho wa. Awo yen kofi mi mama ye.
Ye kofi de ba.
Oh, ma ho. Awo yen kofi mi mama ye.
Barbecue.
Yen kofi mi mama ye. Yen kofi.
Barbecue.
Awo yen kofi. Awo yen kofi mi mama ye.
Barbecue. No so atimase.
Me abama fire fundamenta. Shebi bia me humbia makonda.
Barbecue. Oh, barbecue.
Yeah, double.
Oh, Maria. Barbecue.
Yeah,
Barbecue.
Yeah, double. One more.
Eba. Barbecue.
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Oh, yeah, double. One more.
Daba.
Me there one more.
Daba.
Me see one more.
Eye fresh.
Me there one more.
Eye fish.
Me see one more.
Barbecue.
Oh, barbecue. Yeah, double. One more.
Ah, barbecue.
Eba.
Barbecue. Oh,
Yeah, double. One more.
Daba.
Me there one more.
Daba.
Me there one more.
Daba.
Oh, one more.
Fresh one.
Me there one more.
Eye fish.
Me there one more. One more.
Eye barbecue.
One more.
Eye fresh.
Me there one more.
Eye fish.
Me there one more. Barbecue. Yeah, double. One more. Madam, I present with you the barbecue. Please be patient. Namado. Barbecue.
Yeah. Madam.
Oh.
This is your barbecue. Take your fork and your knife and cut it in every.
Need to know the child on some mado. No more you.
The taba. Madam, my brother.
When young.
Asamoah na Adiba bone na maye. Etua to baby. Mama penmo ye me somo, ye ya somo, ye nya bone bia. What me me ye kunkuto bia nim say, na ya maye nsaso na amaye bre. Adiba bone na edi aye no.
Madam, I so try the my body. Nka fon no ya wo mum fon da. Because in Nana Yakoto, then get to me chair and there, young to the madi, and chechi man chair. Now, yes, you're quite near Cotonam. In me, a co shop, you put a barbecue, nibi, Yanibi, or then catch him to the barbecue, no, you way and do you way.
Will you shut up there? You both are good for nothing, and I don't even blame you. I blame my husband, who hasn't been fair to me.
Why will you blame my dad, who is not even here to witness this?
And why won't I blame him? If he were to be here by this time, would I have been going through this embarrassment?
Would you prefer for him to be here and not meet your financial needs?
Little girl, I know you have a very, very sharp teeth. But please, spare me this very one. Else...
Madam. Ye want me a bunko to do from her ye bre. Ye name ye ya yen soon. What one Owusu? Hey, me the
Did you hear? Kaputa, did you hear? Is it me that you are talking to like that?
Hey, madam, my metitimo. I'm a bunko to him go to James Shim. Why are there maybe some cadential? option bia. When you first person and you we are super go bed you.
Be a bama fire fundamenta. Chevy bia me bia makonda. Tini so anya bia fakwa. Me reja me beja me. A brand new world boy. A brand new world boy. A brand new world boy. Brand new world boy. Some pencil on
Si Yankopɔn paa bla yɛ brɛ wɔ wiase na si yɛ bobu bɔkɔ no bu yɛ atɛn wa me nyɛ sika na ɔsa yɛ na adwo bobu yɛ atɛn wa asema me ka kyɛ no mpɛ na mutumi ka ne de hwɛ bla yɛ blɛ
so you'll understand this is not my doing. Oh, I wish that one day you'll be around. So you'll understand this is not my doing. Crying, can I hear me done? I hear me done. I hear me done. Crying, can I hear me done? I hear me done. Going, can I hear me done? I hear me done. I hear me done.
Adiasem.
Please open the gate for me.
Ah, Cindy. Na gate ya ube bia bonteno ejuma. Amata wanya ni nti so no bia gate ma. After Cindy, we bia bonten.
I want to go out.
Oh, why are you that ba? Na we say bibia wo de bere wate. Besre. Wala wo kono, area high hu. Wo kono blante wo te asa ka chono. Obi afra menko. Cause director ni wo. Me pass am, akasa man hwe wo so yi.
I know my way.
You know your way. Cindy, get na say pay ni me bie no. Me ba nya wa na wa bie. Eh Cindy wo jimi o. Cindy sikati wo, Cindy wo jimi o. You don't know where be no. Ow! Rather my minions cow. It's too much. Hey, because it's a little say it's mine.
One day.
See what?
Listen, one day.
What the?
I'm not teaching me that.
She said it was here.
Obi o de wanted to nkula.
Che, oxysia opie, wa nkoye hwiwe. Eh! Ti me ka se be ba do ti bonte. Wo go be ku no so wo ba. No we che wo. Ade, are you deaf? Ah. We are not the door outside the car, we still the door. No cases. Ah. Hey.
What the? She said it was here.
From some. Yes, Wada.
Open the damn gate.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
I have to go by the right. Okay. Now. Okay, yes, sir. What's that? My boss is not around, but Mama day inside. Yeah, Achoo!
How? You think we're here to joke?
Oh!
You think we're here to joke?
That's also the boss when I'm saying, boss with you.
Jesus Christ! Who are they all?
Oh, maybe are they? Why? Baby, I won't call you why.
Eh, FIFA.
About your mea.
I'll be a young one, Yamia. What do you do? Just some. Blow the hell out of your hair.
Okay. About your me, Kumasi boy.
What's your FIFA?
About your be free, Bremen, New York Junction. House number 738. About your be free, Main Street 4. Be free, Street 4, local state.
Guys from my town.
Yeah.
My guy.
Yeah.
Don't believe this man who. No, the guy from my town.
Yeah, my house color is white and green. And the main gate is pink.
Nigga, hold on.
The way you talk, I say something they said way be like I know.
Oh, what the chaba be a breath for? Why?
It could be from my hometown.
Oh, what day?
Nigga.
Send me who voice never knew said. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mama, Emro. What the and I didn't munko inside. You put me among your madam show.
You know what?
Yeah.
They make security.
Hey, watch. What's that for my Juma?
Me kasa so kasa.
I was a case kasam. Didn't I say me kasa?
One I was say.
Say I madam show. And Kurano so maybe before the national inside.
Watch.
Aye.
My guy. Watch your back.
You know watch your back, bro.
Watch your back.
When I drew actually when I found them baby like about why. Yeah. Charlie, mumbo chrono ni you. Na me nya bi nko fie nko si fie why. Muslim mo nya adwuma ni ye what. Catch that give me pump passion. They say they got by adwuma dru no. I'm a chief skeleton. I need a pump passion gun to this gate. You say no. Na wahala.
Everybody, go down. Face flat. Face flat. You are looking at my face. Go down. Who else is in this house? I said, who else is in this damn house?
It's just me and them.
What? You be a Basrano, and in the Kunina.
Mommy, shut up.
You Basrano.
Cindy, why? Cindy. Hey, Cindy, I told you. You can't just Cindy say area now is dangerous.
Madam, I can see you are pregnant. So you know what? We are going to make it easy for you. Understand? So tell me, for the last time, who else is in this damn house? Who else is in that damn house?
Madam, relax. You boko what? What's a true giant? So what's so.
Why are you crying? I don't understand why you're crying.
You people, what you are doing to me, is it okay? You are stressing me. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you hurting me like this?
Hurting you? How? Why? My guy, you ever seen this before?
Charlie, I never seen this thing before. This matter they fear me.
Say I know you. It's soon no di kuye. Was so.
Yeah, what they are to say. Hey, baby, go swam, ma'am. Muhumbo do.
Because I am pregnant, you are mocking me in my husband's house, my own husband's house.
Okay. Drop the gun. Madam, we are only here for one mission. To steal. And to rob.
Please don't come close. Please go back. I don't like your smell.
It's alright. It's alright. I'll go back for you. Cool down. Okay? Okay. Now tell us. What can we do for you? Because I don't like the way you are crying. So we can find out our way out.
Please. I want your love rice and chicken.
What?
Yes.
Madam, we are not your friends. We are not your playmates.
I know.
We are not here to play. We are here to make business. You want what?
Jollof rice with chicken.
Okay, come. Fast.
down. Face flat. Then we are here to choke. Raise up your head again and see what I'm going to do to you. I'll put the hell out of your head, so.
Hey, Mary.
Joe, my guy. Madame say me tell you and Breno.
Ah, say.
Be get no man na me ko.
Ah, I said to them be no fire day. Ah. Now then go for a real I don't know. I feel almost your chrono bana. I know my problem be practical so. Hey, what is that mugu? Edieni. Ah. Ana me fa film nyire ba ko. We mu dey chrono be ni. Jimmy chrono we dey say ka me jeju akako ebi. Mo be bokro no mo raise house. Madam to tell me. Ah, o be imedi, o ma so mare. O ma nyame. Ba e chrono pa ready ah. Ah. When we do get a me you the photo. Head no. Tell me the truth before you get her. Yeah, I'm a put move my tissue because chrono we dear you will be that. Hey. Chrono as madam say they can buy my food.
Me by my fire for namenda. Shebi bia me humbia makonda.
You are not doing the massage well at all.
Madam, I'm trying. I'm doing my best.
You are not doing it hard.
What is wrong with you? You are not appreciative at all.
Are you shouting at me?
Don't cry. Don't cry. If you cry, I will apply force.
Leave me alone, leave me. Stop the massage. Where is the food? Where is the food? Where is the food? Where is the food?
Thank God, my guy. Now feed one. Face banana. Face banana. Face wall. Come on, kafa. Sorry, na kafa. Sorry, kafa. Come. Bedo, if you rub him. Yan tam if rub him. Patrice, for several madam. Pajama. What is it?
Asamoah.
What is it? What is it?
I don't like the jollof. It has too much curry powder inside. I don't want the jollof anymore.
You don't want what? After wasting our time. For all this while, you don't want what? You are joking. There's something wrong with you. You eat it or you eat it.
Madam, relax. What the one number where to soak a cow on them? When you name and see a so animal, one year the idea will be our house as a 1 pen.
Why are you looking at my face like that?
You are feeling him. When you see when you feeling him.
Please, I want goat meat pepper soup.
What?
Goat meat pepper soup, like soup.
You're not serious. There's something wrong with you. You're not serious.
Madam, we'll be our baby. You mark or so. Who will go to near pepper soup? Add them.
My guy, let's go.
Hey.
Please, are you going? Won't you do the rubbing again?
Thank God that you are pregnant. Thank God that you are pregnant. If not because of that pregnancy, you have seen the bad side of me. Next time, you won't be that lucky. My guy, let's go. Next time.
Mama, yeah, man.
This is my soup. The soup.
Hey, madam. It will be a boon. It deserves up Hammond. Hey, when you're new.
They said they will not do the robbing again because of little Junior. Oh, little Junior, you have sacked the robbers away. You leave there, you people. Go back to the punishment.
How?
Go back and kneel down and raise up your hands.
Shabby Bia, Bia Maconda. Tini so I never be a fakwan. Me redrum me bedroom me. Hi. A brand new world.
A guy. If you are in 250 cedis and the transportation be 50 cedis.
Oh, 300. Hey. Hi, over there, Martina.
Me for ship.
Oh, okay.
Me must be on Sasamo.
Now, Charlie, I could see.
Open the gate.
Oh, Charlie, more common exchange, Charlie.
Be a gate, no?
I have collaboration. At the NSC has to be a gate just like that. You have to pay me.
Tender fire your mouth.
Thank you.
Tender fire your head.
Thank you.
Tender fire your stomach.
Thank you.
Tender fire your height.
Thank you.
My friend, go open the gate.
Tell me something before, please. What's going on there?
Papa, you open the gate and we make you go.
Oh, Terminator 4, relax, say, Turbo, say, Terminator, Turbo, why?
Yeah. Now one can't say, oh, my, Osusa Kola.
And soon they are Suda.
And it was so them were Osusa. In fact, I did queen at Jaffa.
Ah, now also I did soon as this is a multiple more chrono.
We never die.
Ah, sir.
We never die.
And I will come and talk for one. Oh, but Diana, who come and
open the gate.
Now, actually, below the Bishia. Why?
Open the gate.
Yo. And I'm motor than 2 points.
My guy, open the gate and make you go.
Terminator 4, and me panic over so. Main mission, I Baba, me can't share more. I feel I'm bread to anymore. The mom was a monk come Robin book. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3. Moon reading as about practicals. No, if you are, you're practicals. I said, last 3 million, but I walk home. We could be, Madam one new. Oh, say, we could be.
Utine Diabo.
Yes, because
we feel crew back, Cynthia. Must be a gate in your
the bomb pie and son of the track.
Yaboka.
Yaboka.
Be a gate in your car.
Weapon. But it's yellow. Yes.
Will you open the gate?
Terminator, the warrior no.
Open
the
gate for us.
If I would get my method on the Akasa. Ha! Munum Chronobo. Now, can you suka?
My body open the gate.
Hey, Terminator 4. Take it easy. Massa. Yeah. Oh, boy, I want to be there. Yeah. Oh, my God. Hey, a common thing. Somebody by force, they're robbing. Now, hi, Robbie. Come here. I think I'm told 2.5. I 53. Uber driver in the crowd. We are robbers. Uber driver, we're boo. Who are that boat is about 15 cities or 20 cities? Now, the background on us are crazy, Madame Musa. Ball crowd on a quay. Marco told you, I know the Jama Mopero. Oh, this arrogance, they make my day,
So yeah. Abadio. Ya betina ayi din da ma abasma.
Kwabota. Enti yetifi ha ni ma ekoso yi. Ya wa hoto. Ye ni hoto. Ni ma ekoso wo fi ha no. A chese ni enyan. Eno na mama ye din sa na medwendwene.
Amoto de ye ni bi. Ba so ya ye be ye ne den. Ye di ti abehima awie. Ye ntumi yi ehun fim. Atasa. Sin ye mom pride Yakopon na be yin afim. Ona yin Makain.
Na oba ye no tifi ha. O ye pemfo. Anadwo. Usi medi amando, medi shire, medi pe, medi we. Eni mo no so bo ko chinchin saa wo nya bi nto.
More relight po, more relight and homa. Abada.
Na be no ka so very last po.
Last in call ya aka. Na me fast feel.
Wa hwe. Nti je se enipa ni an to ofi a. Nti me de me ma fa me ho adwene o. Ma fa me ho adwene.
There. Aso ya mudo yame. Manye mistake. De bogbo na ejam ofi a no mo wa bra mi hu hwe. Say ye mistake duabo na me de beje okwan. Man try. Ye nyina na ye bai. Lokwa ye nyina ye nko.
Huni me tena se. Na me dwendwene a. Me hwe se de master yire na ye no a. Mpanimfo se akwala wanse oni a oso se. Na akwala no tese de wo ye no ense papa no kora.
Mas ma dwende ma die ho. Ma dwene ho papa. Ma me no ekoka se osoma ekoka se abofra bi na o hye yemi no hia de nyama no. Na ya wanum na di wure. Nya wanum a di wure abofra bi na o hye yefun nanum.
Nti me de ma fa me ho adwene. Me hu se wa akwala no enye papa ne ba.
Nti sa be de apo ma fa ho adwene aka ni 2 times me hwe na enwe ya nyam. Ka adwene bi na afa. Adwene bi na afa. Adwene bi na afa. Hey! Asoya! I am very wicked woman. Hey! Asoya! I don't feel what's in the mirror. Baby!
Unim.
I don't see no open the man green or to me be with him or be ba. My green to me be with him for no. How about it?
Miss Soria, dear Medjane no. Enye no na wodwene me dwene chidi de me dwene no enye no na wodwene wo de se wadwene de da fom me ma dwene wo soro pa de me dwene no enu nti na maye fa wadwene ma me ne enye adwene ba ko yenye sa de
aso yanti insuo nyame
misuro no
enti insuo nyame anka de be de ma di
tabi ate no ma anya ye ho ntoyen e wo se me ye na akola ne firi wo na ye ho ntoyen Timase, what the hell? Bring us a dark over sorry. Not dance when any pen or no sorry.
I saw ya.
Aye. Timase, what? Timafo, didn't mommy. Nammy and Son could be a no more.
You are very wicked, chair. There be. Then mean to mean to, there be meant to mean to. So when to me quite out. Oh,
me quite out.
De boku ejam lede
nti temase na de meye de menye
aso ye na tiri wala awudi na di wo wutiri mo edi physical ansa na lebaka akirem hapra no bibia dam na bokwa akoye mate memmom me ka kiro aso ya akoye ne problem bi aba menka ho
problem bi ama
kokoye
e ba so awon ka ho me amagema de
mate Send the mic up for me. Send the giant. Bring it as a free to send me. Send me. No.
Cindy. Ade. Cindy Ade. O pese wo say maso na. Na ya na mata na ade no maso. Cindy o pe me ana. I don't love me. So why? Sorry, are you man? Cindy, o pe me ana. I don't know you. Baby.
I need your my year, Brianne. I saw ya, my woman son. I need Brianne, come on. Only the mommy.
It was when you chose. What will happen will happen.
Baby, what is going on here?
Don't mind them. You know these people, they are sometimes very dramatic.
Oh my,
Yeah, grandma phone.
Vesi.
Where did he? Oguro?
Afa?
Okay. Sorry, take some water. Yeah. Take some water. It's okay. Slow down, don't scream. What is it? Take the water. So sip something. Yeah. Okay. Good. It's okay. Take it easy. Just breathe in. Out. What? Yes. What is it? I'm here. Yes. What is it? Are you?
Master. Me have what?
Please stop it. My wife is not well. Please. Baby, you okay? I'm okay.
When yeah.
Oh, please. I'm serious.
Tell me want baby and I'm there and said be your dear. I can't be flavors na ko.
Are you serious?
Yeah, serious pa. Master, you be fear. You want the humble opinion person. Missy, we yiri abufra bi odani yefunu mi. Me nya so da oba no ba.
Enya oba no.
Missy kakra bi we yiri also obo redan. Obe da baba. Obo re abade. Look na on you dem hankunwempo. Abane nya wo ba. Ya ye yin nsina ma ho ato. Na yesu ye ho ato ye. Simple.
Did you do that?
Yeah. Baby. If I say plan for now to near so cry ho ato ye.
Yeah.
Look, I'm sorry. Yes.
They can play this.
No.
I can't move.
Oh, come on, sorry. Are you hospital?
What's happening? What's wrong with
your mom is sick. Please, get me the car key from my bedroom. Hurry.
Boss, you die.
Can you believe this? I am disappointed in the two of you. Can you believe these two devils nearly killed my unborn child? Now count yourselves lucky.
The two of you would have been in jail by now. Nonsense. Now get the hell out of my house. Get out. Look, I'm still standing there. Please take them away. OTEELE, get out.
Open. You to me catch you plane, you pain fa. Ain't be, let's be, Metamo, I come from a boom, papa. Make us all woman. I come from a boom. Man, no matter, I be a bubble de Ramayan, only to Sabi, Yago, young Alea, Yampa, not still yet. Say, Nim, Nanakas no walk, but Ebomel, more barefoot leg. Oh, really? Throws on a road rabbit.
And Mamma Tiatian, you. Namina Walla, let me Owusu me. Will you do some funny account? Won't you say? Madam, Sakurana 1 yam, and I'm only doing some phone. Madam,
Are you not a midwife? Are you not supposed to know?
Me, midwife. I'm a woman, each lame, and I won't can't tell. One can't tell.
Lizzie, what are you supposed to tell me?
No. Me midwife. Midwife school kurada. Yeah, ba besrano. Eno piepie ya se ode ye brew. Nye no abetena. Na me de na nka me won sa wo yire kura anyam aboso me nso. Ona na ka cham sa wo yire nyam boso me nso. Akura na wo ye fun mo so ye bema. Ti na me ba me ka ni nya cha.
Oh my God. Lizzie, you? Hi. Lizzie? Wow.
Mama nka nchira. Enya se yesere kire wo nyina na do wo. Obi hu no asere na ne se aba. Ono. We say oyo wo tamfo kese pa. Ono ba akokora oyo tamfo. Odi na ni hwehwe da ho se kotere.
Jeez.
Basement, what's some problems about Buddha? Yeah, many problem. Yeah, man.
Fine, it's okay.
Oh, I do my mount. I call your mom will be a well choke up. What's aqua basak? Asking me the question.
What are you talking about?
You don't know.
But I've been paying you.
Oh, you pay who?
Lizzie, have you not been giving them their money?
Why is it? I just scared you. Why is it?
It's all your chair, Capan, what is the Canadian? We are so pa.
Lizzie, have you not been giving them their money?
What a cardamom secretary.
I just come now.
Yes.
Hey, Liz, I say, oh, ready.
Wow. You must have a cover for scam.
Wow.
What you had? I will obey. Sack anything. Yes, you can your boko. Yes, some friends can I you're no better what's up with ya. You can't blame.
You're joking. You are joking.
I mean,
follow out of this house. Like, get out of here.
No, get out.
Look, please take them away. I'll tell her.
Please come here. I'm saying. Hey. Come on, man.
Get out.
We sack ourselves.
Yeah, but
we sack ourselves.
Young go.
What are you doing?
Champion.
Swear myself up.
Sorry for commitment.
Now go. Get out.
See, I'm going to say I'm going to find you the other way.
Mission complete, sir.
Me a